In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Supabase subscription. If you want to stop being billed for a paid Supabase plan, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look in the dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path to downgrade your organization back to the free plan, which is how you effectively cancel the subscription. To begin, log into your Supabase dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or organizations. This helps avoid changing the wrong subscription by accident. Once you're inside the dashboard, select the organization whose subscription you want to cancel. This is an important step because billing settings are tied to a specific organization, not just your overall account. So if you're part of more than one organization, take a moment to confirm that you've opened the correct one before moving on. After that, click on Billing. You'll usually find this in the Organization Settings or Navigation area. The Billing section is where Supabase keeps subscription details, payment settings, and plan management options. When you're in Billing, go to Subscription Plan. This section shows the plan your organization is currently on and gives you the option to make changes. If your goal is to cancel a paid subscription, this is the area you'll need. Next, click on Change Subscription Plan. This opens the available plan options for the organization. At this point, you're not deleting the organization or removing your projects. You're simply changing the billing tier, which is useful if you want to keep access while stopping paid charges. From there, select the free plan to confirm the downgrade. Choosing the free plan is the step that cancels the paid subscription and moves the organization off the paid billing tier. Be sure to read any on-screen notes carefully, since some paid features, limits, or usage allowances may change after the downgrade takes effect. Once you confirm the change, your subscription should be updated accordingly. It's a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and make sure the plan reflects the downgrade successfully. If needed, you can also revisit the billing section afterward to verify that the organization is now on the free plan. And that's how to cancel a Supabase subscription. By logging into the dashboard, selecting the right organization, opening billing, going to subscription plan, choosing change subscription plan, and then switching to the free plan, you can complete the process in just a few clicks.